Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Show Desktop feature on Windows 11 Taskbar. This is a handy option that lets you quickly minimize all windows to reveal your desktop. So just like it used to work in the earlier versions of Windows like Windows 10, 7, or 8. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, just simply right-click on a blank area on your taskbar. Then just simply select Taskbar Setting in the menu. After that, in the Taskbar Setting window, simply scroll down until you see Taskbar Behavior, and then just simply click on the Expand option right over here. Within the Taskbar Behavior, look for an option that says Select the far corner of the taskbar to show the desktop. So to enable the Show Desktop feature, make sure to check this box right over here. If you prefer not to have this option, you can simply uncheck it as well. Now, once we check this box, your taskbar will immediately update based on your selection. Then if you want to check, just simply click on this option. And if you want to remove it, just simply uncheck the box and the feature is now gone, as you can see. So that's it. You have successfully enabled or disabled the Show Desktop feature on your Windows 11 taskbar. It's a simple process that can help you streamline your workflow by a lot. So if you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.